Have you ever felt like you're living a double life? Like there's another version of you out there? Somewhere? For the residents of Viridia, this isn't just a feeling. It's a terrifying reality. Welcome to the city, with From the outside, Viridia looks like any other bustling metropolis. Skyscrapers kiss the clouds, cars hum along busy streets, and parks are filled with the laughter of children. This is Viridia on a Tuesday. A perfectly normal Tuesday. People rush to work, grab coffee, complain about the weather. Life goes on, predictable and safe. But there's another Tuesday happening at the same exact time, in the same exact space. And on this Tuesday, everyone is dead. It's an impossible, chilling paradox. In one instant, you could be chatting with your neighbor, Sarah, about her prize-winning roses. In the next, you might glimpse her through her window, motionless in her armchair, a cup of long cold tea beside her. The city is silent. The cars are stopped mid-journey, their drivers slumped over the wheels. The laughter in the parks is gone, replaced by an eerie stillness. It's a snapshot of a world where time simply stopped. They call it the echo. We don't know how it started. Scientists are baffled. Governments are panicked. Most people try to ignore it, to live their lives and pretend the other timeline isn't there. They focus on the vibrant, living Viridia, the one that makes sense. It's a survival mechanism, because to acknowledge the echo is to acknowledge the thin veil separating life from this silent mass death. I'm a journalist. My job is to chase the truth. No matter how strange, I started documenting the shifts, trying to find a pattern. They happen without warning. One moment, I'm in a crowded subway car, jostled by commuters. The next, the car is empty, save for the still bodies of those same people. The air grows cold. The world outside the windows is gray and lifeless. Then, just as suddenly, the noise and warmth rush back in. The man next to me clears his throat, oblivious that a second ago, he was a corpse. These flickers are becoming more frequent, longer. It's like two photographs being shuffled together, the images bleeding into one another. Some of us have started to see things, fleeting images from the echo, even when we're firmly in the living timeline. A ghostly, still figure on a busy street corner. A silent, abandoned car in a stream of moving traffic. We call them bleed-throughs. The official story is mass hysteria, a shared delusion. But we know better. We who have felt the cold of the echo know it's real. The terrifying question isn't just asterisk, why asterisk it's happening. It's what happens when the two timelines stop shuffling and finally merge into one. Which Viridia will be left, the living one or the dead one? The scariest part is the feeling that we are the ghosts, that the silent, dead city is the original, and our vibrant, living world is just the fading echo of a day that has already ended. We're living on borrowed time, a memory that hasn't realized it's supposed to be over. I've discovered something, a set of coordinates hidden in the digital noise that spikes during a shift. It points to the old clock tower in the city center, a place that's been dormant for decades. In both timelines, the clock is stopped at the exact same time, 3:07. I have to go there. Maybe the answer isn't about which timeline will win, but about finding a way to reset the clock. I'm heading there now. I don't know what I'll find. I don't even know which timeline I'll be in when I get there. But staying here, waiting for the final flicker, that's no longer an option. Thank you so much for watching. If you're curious to see what happens next to Viridia, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We've got many more stories to tell. See you next time.